So here what you want in the pending intakes?
Yeah, I just want pending intakes.
Okay, in the filter I'll change it later. You can
Okay.
just click the pending intakes
Yeah.
and it goes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. And then this one is beautiful. I really love this. Thank you. Yeah, this
Okay.
one is great. Discharge client. Can you make another one for intake? Just like this? For
Yes, I
intake?
can. Yes, I
Yeah.
can.
Okay, perfect.
And
Um,
what about the task?
and then okay, that's everything is good here. Um, okay, and then this one we need help. So right now, this is the client need to pay this, the insurance amount,
Okay.
right? This is a wrong insurance amount. Oh no, what is going on? What the hell? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, so this is wrong. Um, so right now, the patient amount need to be added to the insurance amount to create the total revenue,
So you want to enter both?
right? But the problem now is sometimes the client paid, but the insurance hasn't paid. So we want when we click paid, only when we click fully paid is the total revenue like this. Does that make sense? Because right now, pending and partial does not equal payment.
Can you
Yes,
explain?
Hizra, here we need to set up the formula section, then it will be.
Yes, I can. I can set, but can she explain that? Do you want to?
Yes, Hizra, I know what he want already. She sent me video, so I will share with you, explain exactly what she is
Okay.
looking.
Okay.
So when I click paid fully, then the formula will calculate total revenue. When I put pending or partial, then don't calculate
Okay. There
because
is an.
team member will manually put in there.
Okay. I think there is issue. I'll handle it later.
Okay. And then monthly revenue,
This is empty because you don't have. You don't put any date in the. I think payment date is empty, so it is showing all the view is empty.
wait, what do you mean? There's July.
I think this is August, and you have not entered any date like August. Put a payment date like 20th August.
Can we see July then?
Yes, but it is only showing the current month. Should
Well,
I change it? Should I change this?
can you change it so we can see all the month?
Okay, I'll change it.
Okay. So like sometime when I want to go back and see the last month, then I have the ability to do that too. Yeah. And then okay, perfect. Thank
So
you.
the calendar view is already showing you the current month
Huh?
in the billing tracker. Calendar view is already showing you the current month. Click the calendar view. Calendar view.
Hold on.
So we don't need
Um,
any monthly revenue. Should I change this?
well, this isn't really helpful for me. I don't know how to use the calendar view because what I need to see is everybody fully paid. If it's
Okay.
paid, then the amount. If it's not fully paid, if insurance hasn't paid or client hasn't paid, then team member will manually enter here and the formula doesn't populate. So we know who is missing what.
Okay, I got. I'll
Yeah.
change it.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. And then everything looks good here. Everything looks good. new. I mess around with this. So can you make it more organized and professional? But this is like a message board, right? And then this is business operation, incoming mail. And then could you require action? Could you bring this outside? Don't have it hidden. Can you bring that outside and put it
Uh,
under here?
I think I all these pages in the main view.
Yes, yes, perfect. And then bring this project task tracker and task tracker down here. And then also could you help me with this? Because oh, you already changed that. So operation. Oh yeah, they're missing that.
You can click the new page in the bottom. You can no open any page like two operations. Click the two operations
Operation. Yeah.
and now click the new page. You
Oh,
can see these.
oh, I see, I see. Oh, I see. Is it being linked correctly?
Yes.
Okay, so if I enter that's my team member, so she'll get notification?
No, it's just an entry.
Oh, I see. So she has to manually enter and come here and see it.
Yes.
Okay, no worries. Thank you. Delete this. And then for the
I think you changed it. I added the require action and project tracker on the main page when I sent
yes,
it.
yes. And the task tracker, this is for daily one-off task. And then the project tracker is different. Can you separate it? Because project tracker is like, for example, Notion build is a project because there's deadline, and then once we complete it, it's over. There are multiple tasks with that, but the other one, daily task tracker, is ongoing. I don't want to
Yes.
mix it. I don't want to mix it.
Sometimes we have multiple projects with different tasks. So project is a single one entry and tasks will be multiple. So you can
It's
assign
like
some
this.
tasks to project.
Wait, it's like this. Let me share the screen. Okay. See, this is a project, marketing campaign, product launch, and then task. It's contained, right? So
Yeah.
I need something like this. And then also I have daily recurring tasks that I need to assign to team member, and I don't want to mix it because right now, right now, both of it is being combined. See, it's showing up here. It
Yeah.
doesn't need to be up here.
This is just showing the tasks. I'll change it later. The main group view is only showing the project and then in the view it shows tasks.
Oh, wait. So if I change it to routine task, it will show here?
It only
Project
shows
task.
the routine tasks.
But it doesn't even show everything. See? Project task, all tasks.
When you click it, it show everything. Open the project task.
Yeah.
Open the project task. Click on it. Like website revision. It shows everything.
Wait, how?